Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 tourist places to visit in Los Angeles with your family. First up, we have the iconic Disneyland Resort, a must-visit for visitors of all ages. Next on our list is the bustling Santa Monica Pier, perfect for a day of fun by the ocean. Venture to Universal Studios Hollywood for thrilling rides and behind-the-scenes movie magic. Don't miss out on exploring the unique exhibits at the Griffith Observatory in Griffith Park. For a taste of nature, head to the Los Angeles Zoo and Botanical Gardens. The Getty Center offers stunning art collections and impressive architecture for the whole family to enjoy. Stroll down Hollywood Boulevard to see the Walk of Fame and Chinese Theatre. Experience the magic of the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County. Enjoy a day of shopping, dining, and entertainment at the Grove and Farmers Market. Lastly, soak up the sun at Venice Beach and enjoy the vibrant boardwalk atmosphere. Los Angeles has something for everyone, making it the perfect destination for a family trip. Pack your bags and get ready to create unforgettable memories in the City of Angels. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.